The next 3 years of Apple's hidden iPhone plans. There are rumors that the iPhone 17 generation, at least the Pro Max variant, would have a smaller dynamic island thanks to some Medellins technology. This year, though, the dynamic island will still be there. Digital Chat Station, a regular Weibo leakster account from China, says that things will start to alter next year with the iPhone 18 Pro series. The iPhone 18 Pro will have a 6.27-inch OLED screen, and the Pro Max will have a 6.86-inch OLED screen. The panels will be LTPO with a resolution of 1.5K and will use hole-in-active area technology for the selfie camera and an under-display Face ID system. The hole-in-active area is the well-known punch hole design that makes it possible for a camera lens to see clearly below the display by removing part of the pixel matrix. At this point, it's clear that Face ID is here to stay, but the technology to move it isn't. Face ID uses a projector to send out a pattern of infrared light, a flood illuminator to light up the area, and a camera to see the infrared light. This may or may not work with current under-display camera technology, which is made for visible light and not infrared light. However, Apple solved this issue. It is allegedly already testing prototypes. Such a shift has been rumored for a long time now, as far back as the iPhone 15 generation. There were similar reports for succeeding models, including the iPhone 17 generation, but it's not happening until next year. That is providing no unanticipated complications pop up, of course. Apple's iPhone portfolio is predicted to undergo extensive modifications in the next years, with a thorough roadmap outlining new models and significant design alterations until 2027, according to reports from Wanema and Mainchi Kuo. The year 2025 will introduce several new iPhone models. Early in the year, the iPhone 16e was announced, providing as a straight replacement for the previous iPhone SE. Later in the fall of 2025, Apple planned the introduction of 4 unique models: the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. The iPhone 17 Air is positioned as a remarkable upgrade, specifically intended as an ultra-thin gadget. This model will take the place of the existing Plus model in Apple's product hierarchy. The iPhone 17 Air will sport a 5.6mm thin design, highlighting its form factor. This design option, however, likely result in various concessions, particularly regarding battery life and camera performance, where it is projected to be less capable than other models within the iPhone 17 series. Conversely, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is projected to be thicker than prior models to accommodate a larger battery, hoping to boost its power capacity. The year 2026 heralds the arrival of Apple's first foldable iPhone and a departure in the standard release timetable. In early 2026, the iPhone 17 is scheduled for release. This model is projected to offer several capabilities included in the iPhone 17, but within a more budget-friendly package, presumably involving a few functional trade-offs. The autumn 2026 range will have 4 models: the iPhone 18 Air, iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and the revolutionary iPhone 18 Fold. The addition of the iPhone 18 Fold means that a base iPhone 18 model will not be part of the autumn 2026 release timetable. Its introduction will lead the conventional model to be launched at a later date. Rumored specifications for the iPhone Fold include a 7.8-inch inner display and a 5.5-inch outer display, along with a crease-free, book-style folding mechanism. The iPhone 18 Air is expected to have a similar style and feel to its predecessor. For the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max, a noteworthy design adjustment is anticipated. The present dynamic island cutout is expected to be replaced by a single hole punch cutout positioned in the corner of the display. The year 2027 is anticipated to see an increase in the number of iPhone models launched within a single year to 6. In the spring of 2027, Apple is expected to launch the iPhone 18 and iPhone 18e. These 2 models, designed to be more cheap, will be introduced several months after the original autumn 2026 range, which includes the iPhone 18 Air, Pro, and Fold. Following these spring releases, 4 additional iPhones are planned for the fall of 2027: the iPhone 19 Air, iPhone 19 Pro, iPhone 19 Pro Max, and iPhone 19 Fold. The iPhone 19 Air is expected to feature a larger screen compared to its predecessors. A big design change is also anticipated for the iPhone 19 Pro and Pro Max, which may bring all-screen, cutout-free designs. This prospective advancement might culminate in the first totally all-screen iPhone by 2027, coinciding with the 20th anniversary of the iPhone and commemorating a decade since the launching of the iPhone X. At the core of the iPhone 18 Pro Max is the A20 chip, constructed with superior 2nm technology. This next-generation processor promises a considerable advance in both speed and energy efficiency. By lowering the size of transistors, the A20 chip enables quicker data processing while consuming less power, setting a new record for computational efficiency. For users, this translates to better multitasking, faster app launches, and enhanced gaming performance. Additionally, the chip's energy efficiency helps to longer battery life, making sure that the device can keep up with demanding tasks without frequent recharging. The A20 chip demonstrates Apple's dedication to pushing the frontiers of mobile computational capability. Battery technology takes a huge step ahead with the introduction of carbon lithium batteries in the iPhone 18 Pro Max. These batteries offer higher energy density and a longer lifespan compared to typical lithium-ion choices. For users, this implies faster charging times and fewer interruptions, allowing the device to support extended durations of usage without affecting performance. Whether you're streaming films, engaging in strenuous gaming sessions, or juggling many apps, the upgraded battery technology guarantees that the iPhone 18 Pro Max remains reliable throughout the day. Additionally, the choice of carbon lithium batteries underscores Apple's dedication to sustainability by offering a more durable and energy-efficient power source. Connectivity is a cornerstone of any modern smartphone, and the iPhone 18 Pro Max features the C2 communication chip to strengthen this crucial aspect. Designed to optimize 5G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity, the C2 chip improves signal processing efficiency while reducing battery usage. This innovation offers speedier and more constant connectivity, whether you're participating in a video conversation, watching high-definition entertainment, or transferring files. By delivering faster and more consistent connections, the C2 processor enhances the overall user experience, making the iPhone 18 Pro Max a stand-up device for consumers who rely on smooth communication. For photography enthusiasts, the iPhone 18 Pro Max introduces new advancements in camera technology. The handset is expected to contain 3-layered camera sensors manufactured by Samsung, which enhance dynamic range, minimize noise, and improve responsiveness. These sensors enable for more detailed and colorful photos, especially in adverse lighting circumstances. Additionally, the addition of variable aperture lenses allows greater control over light exposure, letting users to shoot amazing photographs and films in a range of circumstances. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low-light conditions, these advances ensure professional-grade results. The iPhone 18 Pro Max positions itself as a versatile tool for content creators, giving unrivaled versatility and quality. Although the iPhone 17 Pro Max has yet to make its appearance, the leaks around the iPhone 18 Pro Max imply a considerable advancement in both style and capability. Key changes, such as the improved dynamic island, the powerful A20 chip, carbon lithium batteries, and advanced camera features, illustrate Apple's ability to anticipate and solve the requirements of its people. While the iPhone 17 Pro Max is likely to bring its own set of improvements, the changes predicted for the iPhone 18 Pro Max position it as a more sophisticated and forward-looking handset. These updates reflect Apple's ongoing commitment to innovation, making sure that each new model builds upon the strengths of its predecessor while introducing meaningful advancements. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is a major step forward in smartphone technology. With innovations in display design, computing power, battery efficiency, connection, and camera capabilities, it is ready to set new norms for performance and user experience. While the iPhone 17 Pro Max will likely bring its own advances, the leaks around the iPhone 18 Pro Max hint that it may be worth waiting for those wanting the pinnacle of mobile technology. Apple's ability to integrate new features with practical performance means that the iPhone 18 Pro Max will be a gadget that not only meets but exceeds expectations. Earlier this year, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo revealed that Apple wants to split new iPhone lines between 2 launch windows yearly. The iPhone 18 Pro versions and the first foldable iPhone will appear in the second half of 2026, while the normal iPhone 18 and the iPhone 18e will follow in the first half of 2027. Apple is also highly likely to keep certain other older iPhone models on sale. Today, it still provides the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus among the 5 iPhone 16 variants. Until February, it also still sold the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus. As a result, this year's iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air will probably stick around in 2027, suggesting that there might be the biggest ever range of new iPhone models available from Apple at a single moment. So, that's all we know for now. We'll be sure to keep you updated as soon as we have more information. Thanks for watching.